والصلاة الله وسلامه على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين وبعد. إن أصدق الحديث كتاب الله. أسأل الله ربنا ورسوله الكريم أن يجعلنا علما نافعا ورزقا طيبا وعملا متقابلا. رب زدنا علما سنقرئك فلا تنسى واعلم كما لم تكن تعلم وكان فضل الله عليك العظيم وبعد. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. We thank God Almighty Allah for spending our life till this moment. Last week we discussed about a new topic, probability. I explained to you the meaning of probability and some terms we use in probability. We even define the terms and give the formulas. After that, we apply the formulas by solving one or two questions that day. Today, inshallah, we want to proceed by solving questions under that stuff. Example 3. A bag contains 5 black balls and 7 white balls. First, Ade closes his eyes and then pick a ball. What is the probability that he picked A black, B a white, C a black or white, D a yellow? To solve such a question on the probability, we need to know the number of black. Look at the question, know the number of white. Looking at the question, know the number of yellow. Looking at the question. So in that case, you have to look back to the question and see what is number of yellow, number of black, number of white. So that is why we have to look at it one after the other. Let's look up. Number of black according to the question is 5. We have 5 black balls. Now we have 7 white balls. Don't forget in our question there is nothing like yellow ball. So in that case we have 0 yellow ball. 0 yellow ball. So no yellow ball in that question. Question 1 says probability of what? Of black. Probability of black. Probability of black. I told you the other time that probability of an event will be the number of that event over sampling space. Looking at that, your question, what is your sample space? What is your sample space? Your sample space will be total number of the balls inside the bag. We have 5 black balls and 7 white balls, making 12 balls in the bag. So those balls, the number of total number of the balls is our sampling space. So our sampling space will be what? Our sampling space is what? Is 12. So in that case, to know the probability of black, will be favorable event. What event favor black? Black. Number of black equals black. So in that case, we have number of black which is 5 over, let's do it like this, number of black over sample space, that will give us 5. That's our number of black. All over 12. That's our what? Our sampling space. Can we reduce it? Can we divide it further? If yes, then divide it. I'll give you the final answer. If no, that will be the final answer. So probability of getting black by added will be 5 over 12. 5 over 12. Probability of getting black is 5 over 12. For getting white, B. For getting white. Number of whites. Probability of getting white. Number of whites, which is what? 7. Number of whites over sampling space. Are we together? Over sampling space. That will be 5 over 12. What did I say? 5 over 12. That will be 5 over 12. That is probability of getting white. 7. Number of white is 7. We have 7 over 12. Can we divide it further? No. If no, that is final answer. Probability of getting white is 7 over 12. Probability of getting black or white now. Getting black or white. Getting black or white. Getting black or white. I told you that whenever you are having or, you get either white or black. It means probability of black plus probability of white. That is C now. C, probability of getting black or white will be equal to probability of getting black plus probability of getting white. Am I together? Am I still talking? I hope you can see very well. Okay? So you can see like that. That's good. Probability of getting black plus getting white. Now, you find that of white separately, that of black separately, and then you add it. So what's the probability of getting black? Probability of getting black, according to what we have done in A, is 5 over 12. Do you agree with me? Probability of getting black, white now. White, according to question 2, what do we get? 7 over 12. Am I talking? So lastly now, probability of getting black or white will now be 5 over 12 plus 7 over 12. Solve that and give me the final answer. I'm waiting for you. What you have to do is to get the LCM, which is 12, then make it the denominator. After that, add up the numerator and give me the final answer. You are having what? 1. Let me solve it. You are having 1. It will be like this: 5 over 12 plus 7 over 12. Am I talking? That will give us, you cannot say anymore. Let's go. Let's come this way. Let's come this way. Okay. So you have LCM to be what? LCM to be 12. Am I talking? Our LCM will be 12. Then make it a general denominator. Then you have what? 12 in 12 will give us 1. Multiply by 5 plus 12 in 12 1 multiply by 7. Am I talking? Okay. If that is the case, we have what? 5 plus 7 over 12, which is 12 over 12. Finally equals to 1. So that means probability of picking black or white is sure, is certain. Because I told you last time that a certain probability usually equals to 1, while uncertainty is 0. Impossible is 0. Impossible is 0. If it's not possible for an event to occur, probability of that event occur will be 0. For instance, it's not possible for a goat to deliver sheep. Give back to a sheep. It's not possible. If that's not possible, probability of getting a sheep from goat delivering is 0. I think I'm making sense. So, probability of getting sheep from a goat delivering is what? Is 0. That is not possible. For probability to be certain, for instance, our death, whether you use 20,000 years you are going to die one day, abi? So it's now a compulsory, it's now a certain that we are going to die one day. So probability of a man die is 1. So for you to pick out of black ball and white ball and pick either black or white, you must pick. Your picking must be either black or white. Your picking can't be red, it can't be green, it cannot be, no, don't even say that. That is that your picking cannot be on black and white. So that one, probability of picking either black or white is certain. That's why you get 1. Am I talking? Probability of that thing is certain, that you are getting 1. It is certainly you are going to pick either black or white, because the bag contains only black and white. So your probability must be 1. Are you getting me? So let's see the last question. Probability of getting yellow. Probability of getting yellow. That is the question D. Probability of getting yellow. Without working this, you know that will be. But let me give you the answer. Okay? That's number of yellow. Number of yellow over sampling space. Have we? From our question, do we have yellow? What is the number of yellow? It's 0, thank you. Number of yellow is 0 all over sampling space, which is 12. Can somebody divide that and give me the answer? Somebody. It's 0 divided by 12 is what? I believe you are saying 0. So your answer is 0. Am I talking? Can you see? Your answer is what? Is 0. Let's go to the other side. You cannot see there again. Let's do the other side. Let's understand. So your answer is 0. You cannot see that because it is not possible for you to pick yellow out of black and white ball. That is why you are getting 0. Am I talking? It is not possible. You keep black and white ball in a bag and you are picking a ball and you are telling me it is yellow. You are a liar. Am I talking? That is why you are getting 0. You cannot see that probability of certainty, probability of a certain event, an event that is surely occur, that must occur, it will be 1. One probability of events that can never occur will be 0. I think this calculation have cleared that statement earlier on, that probability of a certain event will be 1. While probability of impossible is what? Is 0. Because we cannot pick a yellow from black and white ball. For instance, inside your home, you are left with only beans and rice. And you now ask your child, go and cook, and I want to eat yam. Check all the kitchen. And the person will say, oh, how can we not get yam? Probably of getting yam in a house that does not stock yam is 0. Since you are not stock yam, you are not having yam. That's it. Once you are not having it, you are not having it. Am I talking? I think that will be the end of today's lecture. Now you can see that a certain probability that is really occur, that must occur, the probability must be 1. One probability that can never occur will be is 0. Now emphasize that probability of any event will be between 0 and 1. Is either 0 or 1. Less, never greater. Lesser than 1 but greater than 0. That is uncertainty. It may occur, it may not occur. For instance, I have a rice. I have rice in my cupboard, and I tell my children, go and check that rice. Probably it will be up to 1 cup. Yes, that one is, I have the rice. It can be 1 cup or more. It can be 1 cup or less. That one is probability. They will now work it out and get whether it is half, greater than half, less than half. So alhamdulillah wa salatu ala rasalik. So أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله ربي لكم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.